The teams may not select the objects themselves in the second run, but the judges will. So although this test is called the basic manipulation test, we make sure that the robot has to do at least some initial movement or some simple movements to avoid a situation where it basically boils down to a classical industrial manipulation task where everything is very precisely set up beforehand and in the beginning. But we wanted to force or that the robots are forced to actually use sensing to perceive the objects, and that an element of uncertainty is coming in, that we don't know precisely beforehand where to find objects. So this was a little element of soccer here. You can see so the robot is doing something and it works in the yes. But there's no telepathy or something like that involved yet. The students wish to have this, and sometimes in the RoboCup you have the feeling that some teams already have implemented it because they are so excited in cheering their robots that although they know that it's no influence, but simply excitement. So collected all three objects very nicely. To which Fred, to which doc do they have? Okay. You want to say a word about
I think actually it's up to the students, right, who develop
yes,
stuff.
Okay, so who is saying something? Matt?
I think Matt is the visual serving and the perception is Sergey.
Can you say a word about how you do it?
For the object detection, as you saw when we first line up with the platform, we move the arm out of the way and we turn on the Connect. Due to the resolution of the Connect, we primarily use it for finding bounding boxes and for locating the objects in general. Once we've located the objects, we'll move the arm to known poses, and we'll then use visual servoing. So we use the webcam to align the object in a manner that the arm's able to grab it, and then once that's registered as complete, we will place the objects on the back. Once we've collected them all, move them over, put them down, and return. Sergey, I don't know if you want to speak more to the object recognition or...